This is a great video. I've been wanting to do this one for a while because when you're shopping online, you're like, what's the difference between an Emmo Monta and the new Trevo? Well, when you put them side by side, you can see, and that's what we do. We're gonna do comparisons like this because I wanna know what the heck, man. What's the difference? I'll get into the components, but it's the size. They're both 26-inch tires. They're both the same size tire. 2.35, I believe, is the size of these by 26. But the frame is different. Emmo doesn't do frame sizes like you would see from other online bicycle companies, and they have to tell you all of that because you can only buy them online, where Emmo, you can come to a dealer and actually see them, or come to us because we actually have them, instead of maybe going to the mall where they got 2 or 3 bikes or something like that. Anyways, I digress. Size. It is a bigger size, not by a whole lot, but I'm gonna sit on it, so I hope that kind of puts it in perspective. Oh, so that's as low as their seat goes. I'm 5'3", but that's no problem. This is where I would want my seat anyways, because I don't have a full extension, but a little bit of a bend. And handlebars are bigger, but look at this. They've got this adjustable. This is everything. This is making a bike fit so many different size people. So I kind of like it there. That's where I'm gonna have it. So that's what a 5'3" person looks like on the Trevo. The Monta. The Monta's been around for a long time, since 2018, I believe. This is the bike that I chose when I was riding. Now I have a different bike. Anyways, this fits me really well. The handlebars are adjustable, but it takes tools, and you set it and then that's it. Then you got to set it again. But anyways, this is how I fit on this bike. Still really nice. Now let's get down to components. A torque sensor. The Trevo has torque sensor. The Monta does not. Their prices are very similar. Torque sensor is a better component in a bicycle, where your sensor, there's a sensor in the crank where it propels you, but you're not exactly sure at what time. Torque sensor is beautiful. Whatever you put in, it puts out, so everything is predictable. This one also in battery, because this one comes in a different, couple different batteries. This one only comes in a 17.5. That's a huge capacity. You're getting well over 100 kilometers per charge. 45 kilometers not doing anything but throttle. This bike is already going to have a huge plus because of the adjustable handlebars. Like, that is priceless when it comes to buying a bike. So we'll start from the front. We've got the same mag wheels. Suspension is better on the Trevo. Yes, just name brand. They're both adjustable. They both have signal lights now. So you're gonna get your brake lights, signal lights on both. I'm gonna move up. Same shifters, same brakes. It's a nicer design because the battery is integrated into the bike. You can't argue that, right? Where this is, I guess, like a less expensive bike to produce because the battery is kind of bumped out, right? Cleaner look. Moving back, same seat, controllers in the same spot. Let's look at the cranks. The cranks are nicer, same derailleurs, bigger, thicker discs, better brakes on these ones. And I'm gonna go back to this. These are UL 2849 certified. The new ones of these are, but these are gel-filled batteries. So your batteries are heavier, not too bad, but they're heavier because not only do they have the intelligent BMS system to avoid fires and danger, but they're also filled with gel. So even if there was something that happened, there's no oxygen to propel or ignite or continue that spark. So super safe. They also come in beautiful colors. I got the Grimsome pink because it's pink and I wanted that. Might take away from the look of the bike a little bit because the black components pop out a lot more, but they come in a blue, a wheat, and a gray. Why would you choose one bike or the other? They're almost the same price, that's the thing. Oh, the rack is a lot nicer on this one too. Like a lot nicer. Yeah, the rack's, it's just, it's a cleaner, nicer looking bike. But when you come here and you sit on it, one just might feel better than the other, right? And try them. That's the other thing. You can sit on a bike in a showroom, but until you actually ride it, because these, again, they are so similar, but yet they're so different. I hope this visual, components wise, just like speed, motor, that's all the same. It really does come down to the feel. So I hope that seeing these side by side will help you kind of determine which one you would like to get. Maybe you just like this one because it's pink. I would buy it just because it's pink. But yeah, so I hope that helps. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Bye.